Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Subrat. In the last section, we have seen that how to run MapReduce completely with a complete understanding of Python code. But I feel that I owe some more explanation towards how to execute MapReduce. Let's start that one. Today's topic is uh, how to run MapReduce. I already explained the MapReduce both Python code line by line in previous lecture. Today, we are just going to focus on how to execute on Cloudera or HDFS cluster mode. So I have already opened the my Cloudera section. Let me close this one. Let me open the putty. Let me increase my font size. So, it's, 20 section. Assistant. Okay. So first of all, let me explain that MapReduce always run in the cluster mode, that is distributed environment. So whatever the input should be distributed, it should be loaded in the distributed environment, that in hdfs. Then we can run the MapReduce codes. So this video is just to guide you how to run MapReduce, because a lot of confusion is there how to run, because anyone can tell about the code line by line, but thing is that the procedure wise there is very less information in the YouTube also. So I feel that better to have a video where we should focus on how to execute only. And as I told earlier, that if you want to know about MapReduce more, we can focus my previous videos where I've explained MapReduce code line by line. But as I told, I felt little bit more information towards how to execute the MapReduce course is pending. So that's why I made this video to complete the explanation how we can run or you can execute MapReduce code. So as I told that data should be in the distributed environment. So let's say we'll go for the same data once again. Cat. Yeah. So let's say this is the data. This is just a story, and you have to run MapReduce code, a MapReduce job to understand to get the word count. So this is our objective. So right now, look, this is our virtual machine. LSC. This is our virtual machine. Try to understand. This is virtual machine. This is not a test environment. We have to push this data to HDFS or distributed mode. Then we can run the MapReduce. This is the first step. So right now, to run HDFS, push this one to HDFS, we have to use the HDFS commands. So I'll in the video I will also explain all the steps, all the necessary steps and command. Maybe today I'll release, or next week probably, all the necessary HDFS commands. So right now this is the syntax. We can use HDFS or Hadoop. So this is the root directory of HDFS distributed environment. It will take some time. It depends upon the your RAM you have given the time of virtual machine. So right now these are my hdfs directories. So let's create a directories over there. Control L, hope it is visible now. hdfs dfs make directory sub subrat map. That's done. So let's see that it has indeed created or not. dfs, again saying command ls hyphen output result temp benchmark. Why it is not created? hdfs make directory sub app. hdfs make dir. Okay, I given the wrong path. Let's say because okay, my bad. Control L. So let's say we'll go for uh, make directory hdfs dfs make directory. This is the starting of the address. Then subtract. Let's say small is fine. Now it should be there. Now dfs. Yep. So right now look, now there is a folder subrat map. So right now you have created a folder over a distributed environment in cluster mode. That this folder is there. Right now you have to push our data which is present in our virtual machine to this folder, so that HDFS so that that file, the data will be distributed across the cluster or in a distributed environment. So right now if you see, this is LS, means this is our virtual machine. Once again I clear this version. Now ls again, so test story tst. So right now you have to use another command hdfs dfs to move from local to hdfs environment. We can use simple put a move from local to another command is there, put yeah it's okay, hdfs dfs put test story dot tst to subtract map, but I believe I should keep this one. then hdfs would then give the path of the data cloud data, then desktop, then story.txt, then space, then our hdfs path. But our name was Suprath map. This is the hdf command to move the file from local to hdfs environment. Another command is that copy from local, but anyway we can use this one, so there is no error. So that means in our hdfs distributed environment the data should be there. We should go to that our path, the data should be there. Look, the data is there. That is not there. So data is there, test.txt. It has moved to the cluster mode, the hdfs distributed environment. So right now you should run the MapReduce job. Look, this is ls means this is my virtual environment. In the virtual environment you have the mapper code and reducer code. Look there, the mapper code and reducer code here. Okay, so right now in your system for the first time you have to change the permission, you have to change the read write operation of these files before running the MapReduce code. Simply we can use the command change the permission to everything, that I'll show you that one also. But anyway, for me it has enabled that I already given the permission for read and write operation, at least read operation um, to this where the codes are there, codes are written, mapper reducer. The explanation of the mapper and reducer you have to follow the previous video where I explain line by line. Then this is it. Then we have to go to, this is the command. Anyway, this is my jar file, I already explained that. This is running Java virtual machine and you have written the code in Python, so that we have some jar file so that it will understand our Python code. And this is the jar file and this is the location where you can get the jar file. I'll make a little bit front side increase so that you can see. So this is the edge I usually Hadoop to MapReduce. So I can show you here also. I think I have opened this one. Yeah. So this is our jar file. So this is my place. We can find this. We can find this jar file. May 25th. Okay. Then input should be our input test story tst. And we have to change the path map, because right now we have to run the MapReduce code in the distributed environment. The data should be in the distributed environment. So by putting in this location, data is now distributed across the nodes. Now this is the output folder. Let it be Subrat map output result. Mapper, this mapper function is in our local function, the local virtual machine. There is no issues. Here also there is no issues. My concern is that whenever you are using the mapper reducer code in the local machine, that virtual machine, you have to activate the permission. You have to give the permission, the data operation permission you have to give. Yeah, this is it. So right now, then you have to move back to root cd dot. Yeah, this is our root, control L, then run it. Yeah, started. Manager at this one. Yep, it has started. Look, job ID is this one 00107175. If I show you now my Cloudera version, uh, look, accepted unfinished right now. You can center ourselves. 71750010. Same job is running here. Look, 707175 225707225. Same job is there, 7225770, and it is unfinished. It is a MapReduce root run in root, and it's accepted. It is running, unfinished, undefined. Final status is not done because it is in running state. So submitted should be there. Accepted. Accepted is not coming. Should be running state. It's not there. Yeah, it is in running state now. Look, running. Same function, same job. MapReduce job. It has not finished. Yeah, it has not finished. After the finishing, it will come here. So let's see it's finished or not. Now it is running the MapReduce Job. Mapper function is done. Reduce to 0%. So right now is everything done. Then output is there in the output result. This result. So right now control L. Before that one I should show that it is finished or not. Right now listen. Let's see. This job is done in previous job. Let me refresh this one. Look, this is the same ID 225707175. Finish succeed, and it is run in 20th May. So right now it is done. So right now you have to see hdfs dfs because you has given output path where our output path is nothing but Subrat map output result. So hdfs ls Subrat map output underscore result. The output folder should be output file should be there. Look, output path is there. So one is success. That means it is successfully run. And this is our result file. Hyphen 00000. This is our output result file. So I just want to see the content of that. So this is the cat function. Sorry, cat command. No. So right now for each and every word, it has given the count. 2 was there for 10 times. The small letter is 10 times. So this is the our final result. In the result folder there should be two files. One is success, one where the actual result is there. So it is successfully done, and this is where that output is there. And this is done, and I believe this is it. And change group. And this is it, guys. Yeah, so succeeded. So I have also shown you in the distributed environment that it has run successfully MapReduce Job. So here we can see in the output section, go to the resource manager. Here everything will be there. This is the job ID, and this is it. This is finished section. That's the thing, and don't forget to change the permission of the mapper.py, reducer.py, that read write operation plus x. I can that is the permission, or 777 I can give before running the MapReduce code, before running the MapReduce command. That is the important thing. That is nothing you can get the things in the internet, that how to change the permission is that change permission change mode. I think chmod. We'll try this. One second. cd user cd should be home, then ls cd cloudera. Okay, we'll see change mode plus x emp details.txt. I believe this command is, this is the permission. So ls -l employee details.txt. Look, so per site we can also give control l ls -l, which are not given. Left per site, suppose this one will take csv data csv read write modification. So this should be x, this last one should be x. So either you can give control l, this one should be x permission, modification permission. Yeah, so control l, so we can use this command plus x or 777. See, CSV data CSV permission is not there, it is not X. Here should be X. So right now it is the file. Okay, so we'll take this CSV, control L, change mode to 777. What is that file? Never forgotten it. CSV underscore data CSV. Okay, control L, CSV underscore data, chmod 777. Look, permission given. Right now, read, write, and modification command. WX. This X should be there. Permission should be given. Okay, make sure that is mapper reduce your code. We should run this command, that chmod control L. This command or simple plus X. You have to run it before you run MapReduce code, MapReduce command. That is command. That means you have to give the permission that plus X this mapper.py in reducer.py, because these are two are there in our local environment and local virtual machine. So you have to give the permission, modification permission, because you have to you are running the MapReduce code in the distributed environment. So that's why it may need the permission of modification in our files present in the local or virtual machine. So that's why you have to give the permission the separate site. This is it, guys. And if you run this, if you follow this step one by one, there will be no issues in the MapReduce code running. Hope this video helps. In next video we'll go for the step commands, all the steps necessary commands. Thanks guys, and thanks for watching, and be focused. Take care.